Stormy? Storm? Stormy? Hey, girly. Hey, girly. Stormy? This here is Storm. She is a blue healer, the husband of Dukes and the mother of Larry. I got her from a farm years ago, and when I trained her, she behaved really good. And her breath kind of stinks a little. She is a blue healer, like how Dukes is a border collie and Larry's a border healer. A border healer is a mix between a blue healer and a border collie. However, her breath kind of stinks, and I don't really like the smell of it. And she does not like to be bathed. And also, if you see, we took off her collar a few times because it's probably just getting really old and big. So hopefully one day we'll get her a new one. Stormy? Hey, Stormy. I'm glad you're not like Clifford the Big Red Dog, or like Knuckles. There's a movie of Clifford the Big Red Dog and a TV show of Clifford the Big Red Dog. However, the TV show was about him when he was a baby, when he was a teeny tiny little puppy. Well, the littlest puppy that's red. Hey, girly. I'm gonna lead her back to Chloe. I nickname her Storm a lot. I nickname her Stormy. Her real name is Storm. Well, I call her Stormy. You're a good girl. Oh, bless you. You are one funny puppy, even though you can be naughty sometimes.